Hello everybody! So during these 2 days we are going to continue this exploration of what you can do professionally after this postdoctoral position, how to promote your research, how to promote your skills. Why it is important to have such career days when we discuss different topics, starting from identification of PhD skills, how to promote them, how to communicate to someone who is non-expert in the field, what a PhD means and what a skill set they have, and then also to practice job interviews and have an opportunity directly to exchange with professionals.
In this day, I was really impressed by all the discussions that we had about the career opportunities, the way that we can fill out our CV, and how getting the marketing, the career in our career opportunities as a PhD.
It wasn't just like a workshop, it was active. So we also practiced our elevator pitch of how do you pitch yourself in 2 minutes or less.
I like the table that we have the discussion with another PhD that are inserted into the marketing in startups and working, and they bring a lot of good experience, a lot of good tips for us. So it was really good to understand that we can work not only in the academia but also in the industry.
During the panel, Radia, one of the panelists, she mentioned you need to know what you want to do, and then you need to find out where you can go and do it. During the 2 days, I haven't discovered any new opportunities, but that is going to stick with me of guiding where I'm going to go next and what I should do.
My advice would be really not to be ashamed to take time for yourself, and nobody else will do this job instead of you.